Welcome back, everyone. It's Caleb sitting inside of the GMC Terrain Denali. I'm going to be showing you how to use your steering wheel to the full extent. So let's hop right in. Okay, zooming us out here to show you everything. Starting from the left, we're going to move to our right. So on the left, you have your cruise control. This is fully disabling cruise control. This is going to be where you turn it on, and you can see it down there on the screen. Now that is just normal cruise control. To make sure it's adaptive cruise control, it'll have a little car in there instead. And then you can set and then you resume or increase or lower the speed. Then you have your heated steering wheel, which will light up orange. This is your collision alert, and you can see how much distance you're between. You can have it stop 1 car length, 3, or 2. Now, if you have the adaptive cruise control, it'll set your distances between the vehicles speeding up and slowing down. Now I'm going to open the door so I can show you this part, and it's going to be a little difficult to see, but you do have 2 buttons back here, a high and a low. These are going to be to change through your different stations, and to show you here, I'm going to go ahead and mute that back up, but that's to go through your different stations. And then to move on to our right, you have your talking to your in-vehicle assistant, or if you have your phone connected, it'll be your phone. If you press and hold it for about 3 seconds, then you're able to hang up. You know your D-pad, up, down, left, and right, and then check mark to select said option. Now, of course, on the right of the steering wheel, you can change your volume. So high is to turn it up, and the low is to turn it down. And to show you, and it's going to pull up on that screen, and to lower it as well. Going to make sure it's muted so I don't get copyrighted. Now the last and, well, not really last and final, let me show you a couple other things. But you have your switches here for your lights. You can go ahead and turn them off when you're parked. Now once you drive, it's still in auto, so it's going to be on. Then you have your normal lights, and then your high beams, or normal ones. And then you have auto, which you can turn on and off right there, and I've made a whole video about that. Turn signal, and then you can flash them or push them out for those high beams. Now then over here you have for your windshield wipers, you can increase it or decrease it, turning it up 1 tick or more ticks. That increases the speed. And then you have it for the rear as well. So instead of twisting the second knob, you'll turn the first knob, and you'll be able to turn that there, as you can see there. And then I'm going to turn that off. Now to do the spray, you'll pull it in for the front, and then you're going to push it out for the back. So to show you, and it comes from that top corner up there. Now the last and final thing for your steering wheel is to adjust the height of it. And you'll see right here, I'm going to put my thumb in there a little bit. You can pull this down, and then you can either extend, retract, or raise and lower your steering wheel to where you want it. Then you hold it there, then you pull the lever back in, and then you're all set. Thank y'all again for watching. Once again, that's how to use your steering wheel to the full extent on your GMC Terrain. I hope y'all have a great day. I'll see y'all soon.